everyone, Rafael with American Homebrew Supply here. In this short tutorial, we're going to show you how to use your twin liver capper. The twin liver capper is included with all brewing equipment kits, either 1 gallon or 5 gallons. The process is rather simple, but you want to be aware of a couple of things. These are the standard bottle caps that you would get. So once you fill your bottle, you'd want to place it on a towel or something that's going to help prevent from slipping. Also, this is just a little cap, okay? It doesn't take a lot of strength to put it in. That's what the tool is for. It has a magnet to hold the cap in place. Gently rest it on your bottle. Bring down the levers. Around the 45-degree angle, there's going to be a little bit of moment of pressure. And that's it. Just a little oomph. It doesn't go past 180 degrees. The most common mistake that people do is they push too hard and either the bottle breaks or the capper breaks. It doesn't take that much strength. Okay? So again, set your bottle in a towel or something so it's not going to slip around on you. Set the cap on the magnet. Gently rest it on the bottle. Bring down the levers. A little bit of oomph. Your bottle is all done. Now remember that you're going to want to clean and sanitize all of your equipment, and you're going to want to have your bottle caps in sanitizer prior to using them. You're more than welcome to reuse your bottles, clean and sanitize them. That's what they're for. But we don't recommend that you reuse bottle caps. Okay, once the metal is crimped, it's weakened and it just won't work the way it's supposed to. Also, there's oxygen barrier qualities to it that would get lost if you were to reuse the caps. So reuse the bottles, don't reuse the caps. If you have any questions, reach out to us either on Facebook or on our webpage. And please visit AmericanHomebrewSupply.com. Check out our kits and check out our recipes. Until next time.